Hi loves, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Mariah and I make DIY videos. Before we get into this video, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And without further ado, let's get right into this video. Scissors, leggings, wax paper, plastic wrap, an iron, and a magazine. First, I'm going to take my leggings, leave them folded in half, and make sure it is laid out evenly and flat. Now I'm going to take the scissors and cut the crotch out. Don't make it too big. I'm taking the magazine and the scissors, and I'm going to cut out the image of my choice. Now I'm using the plastic wrap to cover the label. Be sure to put it on there nice and smooth. Cut the extra plastic wrap off. When you are done, it should look like this. Lay your new shirt down flat on the front side and then place the image on the front. Now take the wax paper and place it over the image. Lastly, you're just going to iron and make sure the plastic melts onto the shirt. I kept the iron over it for at least 5 minutes. Now you're done. you all for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.